Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe on how to make homemade ice cream. You only need 3 ingredients. One can of Eagle brand condensed milk, some heavy cream, and vanilla. But I'm going to take it to another level. I am going to make orange pineapple flavor. And I got a little food coloring to go with that to change the color. Now, I'm also going to show you towards the end of this video, there's a lot of different ways you can make this and a lot of different flavors. You can take it to a whole new level. I myself personally do not eat ice cream. I'm going to give this to my neighbor, but I wanted to show you guys this is a quick, easy, no churn. You don't need a machine. You don't need that little metal device that you have to put in the freezer 4 to 6 hours ahead of time to get cold. You don't need a bucket of ice and somebody churning this. This can be ready in 4 hours with 3 ingredients. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, get everything set up, and show you guys how I make this. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm back. You start with 2 cups of whipping cream, and this is heavy whipping cream, this is cold. So 2 cups, and you have to whip this to very stiff peaks. And supposedly this is a pint is 2 cups. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that in there for simplicity's sake. And you need 2 bowls for this recipe also, just let me tell you, because you got to whip this until you get stiff peaks. So I'm going to go ahead and get this mixed up real quick and I'll show you the next step. Okay, I'm going to put you guys on pause. This is going quite a long time. I'm going to have my editor also speed this up for you because it looks like it's going to take a few more minutes, and we're already at almost 4 minutes. So I'm going to put you on pause and get this closer to where I can show you the peaks. You see there's no peaks. Okay everyone, there's stiff peaks. That took about 4 minutes. I apologize. I hate long videos. So I'm going to put you guys back on pause, and I'm going to get the other bowl, because I forgot to tell you, need 2 bowls. You have to put the Eagle brand in a separate bowl, they combine them. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload 2 videos a week with an inspirational quote and a joke at the end. And I'm going to be having several more giveaways. If you missed the first one, I gave away a Coach bag, so check back with me from time to time, or try not to miss any videos. I got a lot of fun things coming. So let me put you on pause, clean these, and then get the last part of this done. This technically only takes 10 minutes. Okay everyone, next goes in the Eagle brand condensed milk, and believe it or not, you have to whip this too. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in the bowl, and this is where you add your flavoring. This is the part you don't want to miss if you're not making vanilla ice cream. I got a couple steps that you need to know if it's not going to be just plain vanilla. Like I said, I'm making orange pineapple for you guys today. So let's get mixed up. Okay, and this is where you add the vanilla. Supposedly, no matter what flavor ice cream you're adding, you still need to add the vanilla and make this vanilla ice cream. And vanilla flavoring is very forgiving, meaning you can use, I'm using pure vanilla also, you can use as much or as little, it won't mess up the recipe. But the extract that you add to change the taste is what's very important. So let me get this mixed and then we'll proceed with the recipe. a mess. Did not push the off button. Sorry about that. And now this is where I'm going to add the orange extract. Just a little bit, because orange is very, very, very strong. Unlike vanilla, like I said, it's not forgiving. So if you're doing almond or anything like that, you definitely want to be careful, because you will kill it. And I also have food coloring. This is icing coloring that I'll be using. Let me put you on pause and get this open. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit. This is cake icing coloring. Well, that's 4 drops, which is probably a lot. Let me mix this together. Okay, perfect. So now this is where you fold in the whipped cream. And see, there you have it. Pretty much in a few minutes, you've got homemade ice cream already assembled and ready to put in the freezer. The hard part about making homemade ice cream is the custard, and that's the part that people don't like to mess around with, because you have to pamper that like a newborn baby. And for somebody like me who doesn't like to cook, that is more than a chore that I want to deal with, as I'm making custard for ice cream or anything. So as you see, I'm just folding this in to give it the orange color. Once I get this all folded in, I'm going to add the pineapples in, and that'll make it orange pineapple flavor. So let me put you guys on pause one more time and get the pineapples together. Okay everyone, I've chunked the pineapple in here, and as you see, I'm not happy with this orange color. It's not looking orange at all. I want this to look like basically orange creamsicle. So I'm gonna add, looks like a couple more drops. We'll go 3, so I did 4, and that'll make 7. And then I just want to fold this in. Yeah, it's looking better. I want it to look more like a creamsicle ice cream that a lot of you guys are familiar with when you were a child. The pineapple chunks. You're supposed to use crushed pineapple supposedly, but I wanted to leave the chunks big in case you did not want to eat them. You could easily fish them out. So, nope, it doesn't look orange enough for me. I want it to look really, really orange. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Remember, you do this how you like it. I want it to be pleasing to the eye. So that's why I'm adding more orange, to get it really, really orangey. Okay, that looks about right. I've got a container here that I'm going to put this in. Got this off Amazon. It's for ice cream. So I'm just going to go ahead and hopefully get most of this in here and not all over my counter. And this holds a quart. I don't know how much ice cream this makes, because every recipe I looked at, they couldn't approximate, they could not say. And I apologize that I can't give you a lactose-free recipe that would work for myself also, because I'm lactose intolerant. Like I said, I won't be eating much of this. I'm just gonna taste it. But if you alter like low fat or anything, supposedly this will not freeze. So you might wanna be careful with that. Okay, so that's gonna cap off right there. So there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer. We're gonna let it set for 4 hours and then come back and check it, because they said in 4 hours it's ready to eat. So I'll put you guys on pause and we'll come back in 4 and check. Wanted to show you this really, see, it's pretty firm. So don't worry about it being real soft and creamy like you see in my pictures. And if this is too hard for you, you can just leave it on the counter for a little bit. Now I just pulled this out and it's been in the freezer for 24 hours, but it melts pretty easily and pretty quick. So I just wanted to show you that it's not real sloppy or mushy ice cream when you make this. But like I said, this is one of the best ice creams I've had, and I'm not a big ice cream eater, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is really good, and like I said, it burns pretty hard. On another sneaky trick, if you don't want ice crystals to form, take a Ziploc bag, put ice cubes in it, put it in the freezer, and store it somewhere close to your ice cream, and you'll never get the crystals. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and God bless. Okay everyone, there you have it. Pineapple orange ice cream, no churn. Doesn't it look fabulous? This is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna eat this, even though I am lactose intolerant. I'm gonna take about 4 lactate. I'm only gonna eat a tablespoon or 2, but I am gonna try this. So let me tell you my joke. A teacher gives the children a homework assignment and tells them to go home, and when you return to class the next day, I wanna know, how did the human race begin? So all the kids left. Johnny got home. He went straight to his father. He said, Dad, I have a homework assignment. Dad, cut the TV off. So his father said, okay. He said, son, what is it? He said, the teacher told us we need to know, how did the human race start? Johnny's dad said, well, son, that's easy. God created Adam. God created Eve. They got together and populated the earth. And that's how the human race started. Johnny said, that's easy. The dad said, yeah, man. So as Johnny walked away, he wanted to make sure his dad was telling him the truth. So he said, let me go ask my mom too. So he goes into the kitchen. He says, Mom, I got a homework assignment. She said, what is it? He said, the teacher told us that we need to know how the human race started. She said, that's easy. She said, we were once monkeys, and as time passed by, we started slowly turning into human beings. And this is how we became about. Johnny was totally confused. He said, okay. He ran back to his dad. He said, Dad, did you say the human race started from Adam and Eve? Mom said we came from monkeys. Dad said, son, I told you about my side of the family. Your mama told you about hers. Oh, that's sick. Anyway, well, technically, you go biblical or you can go Darwin. Darwin said we evolved from apes or whatever. But anyway, please give this recipe a try. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. This is good. I'm telling you, it's better than any ice cream you can buy. It would definitely do homemade. And it freezes harder in this container. It's over because I had to scoop out, I'll show you, out of here, because that's more than a quart what it makes. And so I put that there, and that was a little softer, so I put it on top of the chunks of pineapple. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless you, and come back for the next one.